Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today we have a sponsored video. This is my first ever EV sponsor, kind of. So I'd like to thank EVDance for sponsoring this video and sending this product out. So this is a portable charger, I believe. We'll find out. Right, so if you haven't watched this video, go check that out. Where's the scissors gone now? Oh, there. These are the scissors from that. So that's a car kit from my BMW. That's like a medical kit. I'll just showing everyone what's inside of it. Yeah, these are some stiff ass scissors. Right, so let's go ahead and open this package, see what's inside. Yep, these scissors aren't the best. There you go. As long as it does the job. It's not supposed to be sharp anyway, it's medical scissors. There you go. That broke apart quite easily. This side's gonna need some cutting. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, we are open now. Oh my days! Look at that. Yeah, look at that, man. That's what you call a quality. Take a snapshot, guys. Bam. Alright, guys. Alright, so this is the box. So 10 amps, 230 volts. It's got OLED display on it, which is good. It's got storage box as well, apparently. So adjustable current option. So obviously the fastest is 10 amps, then it goes down to 8 and 6. So when it's flashing green, it means it's charging. When it's a solid green, it means it's fully charged. When it's flashing blue, it means EV connected. That don't make sense. And when it's solid blue, means standing by. Connected by what though? I don't know, we'll see anyway when we plug in. Red means it's got a ground fault. So, and when it's solid, you have a general fault. Okay, so red in general is bad. Right, I'm going to get this out now. I'll have to tilt it over. It's very tight, as you can see. Very tight. I can't even fit a fingernail in there. Right. Alright, guys, so this is a mode 2 portable electric vehicle charger. So 10 amps, so 6.1 meters, so it's decent length. So UK power pin ones, 3 pin. Let's have a look on the side. 230 volts AC. Anything else? There's the operating temperatures, decent. So you can do in the winter as well. It's a black, they also come in white apparently. Let's see what this one looks like. I think black's pretty smart anyway. So how much does this, oh, my bad. So how much does this cost? £85, guys, which is a deal at the moment. Or otherwise normally it's £99. So it's about £15 off right now, which is decent. You can also get 10 meters. At the moment it's £127, the 10 meter. And the 8 meters is £110. These are all on sale at the moment. I'm guessing it's to do with Black Friday or something. So it's not expensive. It's decent price for what it is. Right. Oh yeah, that's the bag. Look at that. Solid, ain't it? Look at that, lads. Oi. That is mad. Alright. Give me 1 second, guys. Now guys, let's unbox it. Out the way. Sorry about the snoring in the background. Can you hear it? This is my life. Okay, let's go. Wow, look at that. Very heavy duty cable. Oh, bloody hell, that's heavy. That's a very heavy cable, guys. Nothing else in there. carrying case. Okay. So let me unbox this end. I have to use the medical scissors. So yeah, I'll use the medical scissors, unbox both ends. 1 second, guys. Alright, guys. So it's very well packaged, as you can see. A lot of stuff there, and there's still a wrapper here. There you go. Oh, I forgot about these bloody wrappers. Yeah, let me take it off 1 second. Alright, guys, we are finally done. One last piece. Okay, now we are finally done. You got 2 cable straps. There's a very thick cable there. Yeah, there's your 3-pin for the UK with the fuse. Oh, I love this. It's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. There's your OLED screen. I'll plug in and show you what comes up. There's your light bar. That's your A button. It's a bit dirty there. Give you a wipe later. It's a very thick build, and this is apparently waterproof and dust proof up to certain meters. I'll have to check that for you. IP66 rating. So it's protected from dust, rain and water jets, both during charging and not in use. Okay, so it's a mode 2 type 2 EV charging cable, compatible with all standard plug-in electric vehicles. Oh wow. So it's got real-time LCD OLED screen, shows the live charging status, automatically stops when charging is complete. Safety features includes a pen fault detection, under voltage protection, overheating cutoff, and a 30 mAh AC leakage protection. It's efficient charging, delivering up to 10 amps, 2.4 kilowatts of charging power, adding up approximately 8 miles of range per hour of charging. So yeah, pretty decent, and you get 2 years warranty and fast customer service response. So it's pretty decent though. Now let's show you this end. It's a very good build though, man. Very good build. Very thick rubber. Very strong and sturdy. 100%. And this is the handle itself. As you can see. Very, very nicely built. There's my grandma's hair. 1 second. Just get rid of my grandma's hair. Where's it gone now? Bloody. Go. Still there? No, it's gone. Okay. That was my grandma's hair. Here's your lid. Take it off so you can see, have a look at it. It's very hard doing this one-handed, guys. Yeah. Alright, there you go, guys. So there's your UK pin. Your regular UK charger. So you can charge it from home. Very nice now. Let's see what's on the back of here. Oh my god, got some more grandma's hair. Okay, that one's stuck. Yeah. Okay, grandma's hair is gone. Right, we got EVAC. Oh, let me take my flash off. There you go. EVAC. So everything we've read inside basically. These are your warnings. Do not connect the EV into a power outlet that is not properly grounded. Do not use the EV charger if it is detected. Okay. Do not use the EV charger in outlet which is not designed for. Do not open, disassemble. Okay. Do not disconnect the EV charger from the wall outlet when the vehicle is charging. Do not use the EV charger when either exposed to severe rain, snow, electrical storm. So bad, very bad weather basically. Do not touch the EV chargers and terminals. Shock metallic objects. Obviously you get electrocuted. Do not forcefully fold any part of the EV charger, damage it. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much all common sense stuff. Sometimes you have to put the warnings there because some people just don't have common sense. And that just covers the company, doesn't it? There's your manual. Let's have a look, guys. So we're going to plug this into a EV car. Which one I'm not sure at the moment, as I need to find which one I have available at the moment. So I'll show you that as well. But for right now it's just unboxing. I'll add on to the end of the video how to use it as well. Or if when I figure out which car I'm going to use it. Right, use the EV charger. Okay, that's all the warnings, that's all the stuff. So I'm gonna take this apart, make sure the power is properly grounded. Do not use it. Okay, how to start charging. Turn off the vehicle, completely install the EV charger into power outlet. Long press charger's button to select proper charging current. Oh, so the button long press it, so you're gonna hold that in. Take off the protective cap, plug the charger, connect into your vehicle and start charging. Okay, how to stop charging. Unlock the vehicle to pull the charger connector out of the charger port. Disconnect the charger's plug from the power outlet. Put on the protective cap. Okay, that's how you do it. That's your screen, everything that's going to be there. How to adjust the charging current. So if you hold press the A button 3 seconds, then it will change to 16 amps. I thought it only goes up to 10 amps. Oh yeah, the UK one only goes up to 10 amps. The EU one goes up to bloody 16 amps. Wow. Okay, after selecting the proper charging current, wait 5 seconds. The current setting is completed. When in setting mode, the first thing. Okay. There's LED status. There's a troubleshooting. The blue light is solid. Charger is not connected to your vehicle. So now if I plug in, it should be blue light. Okay, now I understand. Okay guys, and then the rest is in different languages. Now let's go plug this in then, see what the screen looks like. So I think where can I plug it in? Look what I should plug it there. Might as well, it's grounded. And then I'll unbuckle this so you can see how long the 6 meters is, if it's long enough for you. Wow. There's your blue light and the flash off. There you go. That's a very nice light. So you got your blue light there. There's your voltages. So you got running at 10 amps, 243 volts. And obviously it's not plugged into anything, so we've got 0 kilowatts, 0, 0, 0 and everything else. The screen is actually very nice. So if I hold the 3, should really change the charging mode? Oh yeah, it does. You got 6 amps. Okay, if I hold it again, if I press it once, 8 amps, press it again, 10 amps. Don't know how well you can see that. You can't see that, can you? Let me try zoom in. If I hold it, can you see it's flashing? Yeah, you can't really see that because of the OLED. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see that. So I'm on 8, 10, and then you just let go. You choose what charging mode you want. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Alright, what was I going to do now? I'll show you how long that goes. Give me a second guys. Right, we have unbuckled it. Let's have a look. How far does 6 meters goes? 6 meters is 600 centimeters, I think. I don't know. Okay, that is quite long actually. What the hell? I'll go to the other side of my room. Probably further. Let me see if I can go charge my mum. Mummy? He's a bunduk. Let's see how fucking hell it's long, isn't it? 6 meters. Sorry. That is very long. Is this further still go then? Nope, you can go further. And break all the buckles out so we can get as much length as we can. See how far it goes. What the hell? I think I can actually make it into my toilet as well. Right. This is my toilet. Pretty much inside the toilet. There you go. Made it from one end of my room all the way into my toilet. Very long cable, guys. For a 6 meter cable, that is long. So imagine the 10 meter cables, or the even bigger ones, 12 meters. That's crazy. But yeah, that's a pretty decent length. Thank you EVDance for sending this out. I will make a video on how to use it on a vehicle, what it looks like, how to change the charging mode and all that. So yeah, for now, this one just be an unboxing video. Thank you EVDance for sending this out, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.